Hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. Today we are going to see how to create account for Cisco Packet Tracer and how to download the Cisco Packet Tracer for your PC. For that, first you have to go to the web browser and just enter the Cisco Packet Tracer download. Here, this Cisco Networking Academy is the official site for the Cisco Packet Tracer. So this is the guidelines for how to download and install the Cisco Packet Tracer. So click this one. Here, this is the link for the Cisco Packet Tracer's download link. So click that one. When you scroll down, here is the Cisco Packet Tracer versions for Mac OS and Ubuntu and Windows 64 bits. So we need to download this. Before that, here please log in and download the resource. For that, you have to create the account in the Cisco Networking Academy. So for that, you have to go to login button. Then if you have already have account, you can just log in using that account. Otherwise, with your Google account also you can continue with that. If you want to create new account, just go to sign up button. Then you have to enter the country and states and your date of birth and date of month. Then continue. Then you have to enter your first name, last name and email, and you have to create a password for the Networking Academy. So then you have to re-enter the password. Then you can create the account. So I already have the account, so I enter the login page. So here I have this account. So here is the password already, and I save this in the Google account. So I have come to login. So after login, you can install. You can download using this. So click here. I'm using the Windows, so I click this link. So it will download the executor file. Then you can install the file normally. So this is the way you can download the Cisco Packet Tracer in the official web page. Then after that, you can install normally using this exe file. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to learn more about this Cisco Packet Tracer, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.